Sino ba ito sa akin kung gabi? Sino ba ito na mga kanyang labata? Congratulations, Tina. Moving. Para the key. Congratulations. Yan. Bago natin i-announce ang grand winner kasi naman, we'll have Belen. I will read the person. Kasi pinusa ko na yung award eh. Magkakaroon siya ng certificate from the Lazy Dog, breakfast in Palomar, Bago, Boracay, Aklan. This is a gift certificate entitled the bearer a 2-night stay at Lazy Dog, Boracay, including a free breakfast for 2, free sharing, valid until March 31, 2008. Pwede ka ba mag-tour? Pagkakas galing ko muna natin yung tour of March 2008. Ayan, no? May cash for that. But before we do that, it is my pleasure to announce the largest contingent, no? The largest contingent with a total number of 136 registered participants. What they will get is 1,000 pesos cash, 5 spider shades, 2 French 5 spider shades, 10 assorted dry fit jerseys, and 50 men's health magazines. Yan po. And 1,000 pesos cash. It goes to Foxtrot Cycling. Congratulations. So you represent. Kung kailangan ng tulong ka, mabigat ka ng magazine. So, I think December, we have, I personally have organized you on the Vice President sa Department of Education. Kayo rin ang guardian of Maiden. So, keep it up, I know, actually, this is the 13 na yata, o 14 na sumasali. Maalala ko yung jersey ko, medyo light color ng jersey eh. Kasi nung ibang riders yun, nahihili.
Yeah, picture!
Pag naman ng CGT, nahihili sila sa ilalim ng tulong na ako eh. Ngayon, parang lumalakas kayo. So, tuloy-tuloy, ginagawa ng mga 136 registrants. Congratulations. Ito ang the most so far. The most so far was seen like regular yung Meralco Group, the big Meralco Group. Congratulations. And now, the final winner.
Yan, wala na ito yun.
Okay, the final winner. And pero before I do the final winner, can I call on the tour director on the 2007 Tour of the Fireflies, si Mike Ortiz, to give some announcement about next year at yung mga coming activities, and also to make immediate recognition and acknowledgement to the volunteers, the marshals, at yung mga committees. Mike Ortiz, ito siya ang ating tour director.
Laguna Cycling Group from Laguna is, are you around? Laguna Cycling Club. Isa yan sa mga namumulit natin eh. Cavite, are you here? Wala rin Cavite and Bangeles. Okay, so siguro nag-uwihan na sila sa mga pinisa nila, no? Kaya sa malayong pagsiyan. So, for 2007, as mentioned, we chose the theme Cycle for Clean Environment, Green Establishment, and Clean Elections. For 2008 will be our 10th Tour of the Fireflies, so we're trying to target a big number and a big event for our 10th tour. We'll try to plan out for a nationwide tour. So that will be done in our key cities here in the Philippines. Hopefully, our brothers and sisters in the different parts of the country will be able to join us in this very fruitful event. So that will be done around the same time next year to celebrate Earth Day. I'd like to acknowledge some of our volunteers for today who made this event happen. First of all, we have our tour marshals. Tour marshals, please stand to be recognized. Yan po ang mga tour marshals natin. They've been riding for the last 8 weeks, 2 months, training for this event. Pero as you can see during the tour, kahit very active na sila, parang sinulang pa rin because of the sheer number of participants. Wala tayong official number, no, or official estimate, pero it's definitely a number greater than last year's 5,000. So, aside from the marshals, we also have our registration volunteers from UP, Lakay Mountaineering Club, Lakay Kalikasan Mountaineers. Nandun pa rin sila ngayon sa registration booth natin, where you can still purchase your t-shirts and jerseys. I believe meron pa tayong konting natitira na mga bigger size, mga double XL and XL. So there are still jerseys and t-shirts available. Hindi na kailangan mag-register, so pwede na direct to purchase yun. And then, aside from Lakay, we also have Eco Rescue. Insan, we have here Eco Rescue. Through the efforts of one of our soon-to-be members, Boy Show. So, we have registration and the marshals, and also our partners during this tour. We have Bamboo and Fitness First. We have Spider as one of our co-presenters. We also have Deuter, Activate, who gave us our drinks for this morning. We have our media partners, Studio 23, White Gold. We have Men's Health and Inquirer. So, I'd like to thank everyone for joining us today for the 9th tour of the Firefly. And I'll be looking forward to the 10th tour with everyone again. I hope you can all join us. I hope you can bring your friends. I hope nothing untoward happened to you or to your cycling mates today. So next year, you can encourage everyone to join the tour. Thank you. I'll be turning it over to Jack.